Section 2 2.1 Cherry Tree. Ice breaking. Trees are rivers because in मराठी वृक्षविषयी आदर व्यक्त केला जातो कारण they gives us joy. They give us food, medicine, wood, besides many more useful things. They provide the shade, shelter to fauna. The next fourth is means they absorb toxic carbon dioxide to make the air clean. And last, the one more particularly we reverse for the tree. They prevent the soil erosion and help the rain cloud formations. That is the way we have to be generally reverse to the plants. Column A shows your involvement in the growing a tree as well as the stage in the life of the tree. The column B shows the feeling of your experience all at all. The stage match the appropriateness. सो इन मराठी स्तंभ एखाद्या झाड वाढवल्यास तुमचा सहभाग त्याचप्रमाणे झाडातील आयुष्याचे विविध टप्पे दर्शवले आहेत. बी स्तंभामध्ये तुम्हाला तुमच्या अनुभवलेल्या भावना दर्शवलेल्या आहेत. याच्या योग्य प्रकारे आपल्याला जोडे लावायचे आहेत. A set and B set, there are some kind of the questions we have to be joined, match the pace of that. You plant a sapling. There is you wanted to make humble beginning. That is what. You water the plant. Next, you water the plant. There is you cared for it. You show the shoot for the first time. New experiences brought excitement to you. You face the plant. Then your motive was it to be protect it. Next, the plant gradually saw lush green leaves grow on it. There is a color symbolizing life gives you a feeling of hope. The tree had the bud too. There is give you a feeling of joy to see the promising futures. And last, bird made a nest on tree which was fully grown, the laden with flowers. You are the happy and satisfied because you experienced what you had often heard, that small beginning can lead to great achievement. That is what the particular kind of the ice breaking, and with the help of the ice cream you will understand what is exactly the poem is. So you can look that questions. With the help of that questions, the poem is related on that particular questions. So introduction of the poem. This poem is Ruskin Bond. He is a widely loved writer, poem and stories. Cherry is the poem of struggle against the adverse condition. It inspired one of the fight against even those who deliberately try to destroy one's efforts to achieve one's dream. The struggle long in the end will be bear fruits or bring a great joy. That is what some kind of the Ruskin Bond written about the particularly about the poems. And we have to turn next one and some kind of the introduction of the poet also there. Ruskin Bond, born in Kasoli, Himachal Pradesh in 1934. Ruskin Bond has written hundreds of short stories, essays, novels, and more than 30 books for the children. Ruskin Bond was mainly born in Kasoli, Himachal Pradesh in 1934, and he had written hundreds of short stories, essays, novels, and more than 30 books for children. रस्किन बॉन्डचा जन्म हुसोली हिमाचल प्रदेश 1934 साली त्यांचा जन्म झाला आणि तिथं त्यांनी असंख्य शॉर्ट स्टोरी जवळपास 100पर्यंत एसेस नॉवेल्स हे आणि मोर दॅन 30 बुक्स फॉर द चिल्ड्रन्स. His first novel, The Room of the Roof, written when he was 17, received the John Llewellyn Rufus Memories Prize in 1957. He has also published 2 volumes of autobiography, Scenes from the Writer's Life and The Lamp is Lit, the collection of essays and episodes from his journal. In 1992, he received the Sahitya Akademi Award for the English writing in India. He is awarded the Padma Shri in 1999. Ruskin Bond lived with his adopted family in Mussoorie, Uttarakhand. He written many of the novels. He got the particularly Sahitya Akademi Award in English in India. तर अशा प्रकारे भरपूर त्यांना अवॉर्ड मिळाले गेलेत. पद्मश्री भेटला 1999 साली, 1992 साली त्यांना पद्मश्री साहित्य अकादमी अवॉर्ड मिळाला. आणि अजून ते भरपूर असे रस्किन बॉन्ड लिव्ह इन द अडॉप्टेड फॅमिली इन मुसोरी, उत्तराखंडामध्ये त्यांनी ते राहत होते नंतर. So this is the introductory paragraph of the cherry poem. The poem Cherry Tree is about the poet's ecstasy over the tree which is planted, which took 8 years grow. He is expressing his wonder at the ways of nature and how the cherry blossom in fragile and quick to fall. The tree gives him immense joy as he can see his stars and blue sky through the dappled green tree. So that writer Ruskin Bond has planted the one of the tree, and the name of the tree is cherry tree, and that nearly 8 years to grow. At that time they had some kind of the blossoms and fragile fruits and flowers came to that, and quickly that falls, and he had seen the blue sky through the dappled green tree. So now the poem Cherry Tree. Cherry tree, 8 years have passed since I placed my cherry seed in the grass. Must have a tree of my own, I said, and watered it once and went to bed, and forgot but cherry have the way of growing. It means the poem is beginning with the poet recalling that 8 years ago he had placed a cherry seed in the grass. He remembered he wanted to have his own cherry tree. He had watered the ground where he put the seed and forgotten about it. In Marathi. चेरीचे झाड. कवीच्या सुरुवात होते ते 8 वर्षापूर्वी कवीने एक चेरीची बी गवतात पेरली होती. त्या आठवणीने स्वतःचे एक चेरीचे झाड असावे असे कवीला वाटत होते. बी पेरल्यानंतर ते मातीत एकदा पाणी घालतो आणि त्याबद्दल विसरून जातो. अशा प्रकारची मनस्थिती या रायटरची, रस्किन बॉन्डची रायटरची होती. Though no one's caring very much or knowing, and suddenly that summer near the end of the May, I found a tree had come to stay. It was a very small 5-month child, lost in tall grass running wild. Goats ate the leaves, the grass cutter gritty, split at apart, and monsoon blight. The cherry tree, in spite of the careness, had survived. At the end of the summer, the poet noticed a small cherry plant where he had placed the seed, growing among the tall wild grass. No one had known about it nor cared for it, but it was the tiny 5-month-old flashing. It was unnoticeable in the grass. Goat gazing are there ate its leaves, and grass cutter hacked it with the sharp cutting blade. In the monsoon a disease withered little cherry shuffling. In Marathi. दुर्लक्ष होऊन चोचीने चेरीचे ते रोपटे मात्र रुजते, टिकून राहते. उन्हाळ्यात अखेरीस बी पेरल्यानंतर जागा उंच रानटी गवतांमध्ये ते इवलेसे चेरीचे रोप उगवलेले कवीला आढळते. ना कुणाला त्याबद्दल माहिती होते, ना कुणी त्याबद्दल काळजी घेत होती. तरीही अनिर्बंध वाढलेल्या गवतामध्ये लपलेले चेरीचे रोपटे आता 5 महिन्यांचे झाले होते. शेळीने त्याची पाने खाल्ली होती. गवत कापायच्या कोयत्याने रोपट्यावर वार केले होते, पण पावसाळ्यात कीड लागून चेरीचे ते बारीक खोड वाळूनही गेले होते. So that is what the particularly the poem written by the Ruskin Bond, how he cared about the tree. He gave the water and he forgot that. In That particular summer, the small cherry plant had placed the seed, and he growing with the tall wild grass, and no one care about that grass. कोणीही त्याची काळजी घेत नव्हतं. ते इतर गवतांबरोबर ते वाढत होतं आणि गवत कापणाऱ्याने त्याच्यावर वार केला आणि पावसाळ्यात त्याला कीड लागून ते बारीक खोड वाळून गेले होते. So let us stop with that particular two stanzas of this poem. Remaining part of this poem will be continued in another video. Thank you.